Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see some of the apps that are killing your Android phone battery and how you can simply turn them off right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and click on here to open up my phone settings. You haven't opened up your phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on search right here. And then what you need to do is to simply type in battery. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and click on battery setting. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on power boost. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on optimize. Next thing you need to do is to click on optional optimization items. Click on that. They take you right here. First things for, make sure you turn off this button. The next, and make sure you also turn off this particular button. Have you turned off location service button, it saves a lot of energy on your Android phone. And at the same time, turn off Wi-Fi automatically if not connected. It also saves great energy on your Android phone because there is no point of turning these two buttons on when you are not using them. It's that simple. And by turning it off, you are saving a lot of energy on your Android phone. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to go back. Then go back. The next thing we want to do is to simply go back to and look for setting again. Go back to setting. Then from setting right here, next thing we want to do is to go to Bluetooth. And most time we turn on our Bluetooth. And as a result of that, if you are not using your Bluetooth and you turn it on, it drains a lot of your battery on your Android phone. So what you need to do is to simply make sure you always turn off your Bluetooth if you are not using it. That's simple. Next, go to Bluetooth scanning setting. Click on that. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off this particular Bluetooth scanning setting also. When you turn it off, it saves a lot of battery on your Android phone. Then we go back. Next thing we will need to do is to make sure we go to Wi-Fi right here. They take us right here. If you are not using your Wi-Fi, there is no point of you turning it on. At this point here, make sure you always turn off your Wi-Fi if you are not using it. By turning it off, you are saving a lot of battery on your Android phone. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on back. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down right here. We make sure we look for location right here. Click on location. So I'm going to simply click on location right here and it takes us right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we go to location services. Let's go to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go to Wi-Fi scanning. Then right here, allow apps and service to scan for Wi-Fi network at any time, even when Wi-Fi is off. This can be used, for example, to improve location based on feature and so make sure you turn off Wi-Fi scanning. By turning off Wi-Fi scanning, it saves a lot of battery in your Android phone. So I'm going to simply go back right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to emergency location service. Click on that. Then make sure you turn off this because turning this on is also drain your battery in the background. It's as simple as that. Then go back. So the next thing we want to do is to simply go back to the battery section. So we have to come to the top right here, click on search right here. And we make sure we type in battery. The next thing we want to do is to go to battery setting. The next thing we want to do is to go to battery setting right here again. Then we go to battery usage. Right here, we have access to all the apps that are consuming our battery. Then the next thing we want to do is to make sure we restrict some of the apps that are consuming our battery in the background. So like this TikTok video wallpaper right here, it's consuming 17% of my battery in the background. Just like what you see right here, I'm going to simply click on it and I'm going to simply choose restricted. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save your Android phone battery life by turning off some of apps that are killing your battery in the background. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.